First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer apps from Android to Windows 11, run the software. Connect your Android phone to your Windows 11 computer via USB. The software will quickly recognize your Android phone. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your phone to make sure the connection is established. After successfully connecting, all the data on your Android phone will be displayed by categories in the interface. Click Apps, User Apps, then the software will scan all the apps on your phone. You can scroll down to view the apps. To transfer apps from Android to Windows 11, select the apps you want to transfer, click Export, choose a location on your computer to save them, then click OK. The chosen apps will be transferred to your Windows 11 directly. Once finished, click OK.